Hi, it's Granny B from Fort Smith, Arkansas. Today I'm doing another video that I promised you. This is the double-decker box that my brother-in-law made. I had shown you a single-decker box just for the plastic wrap, and we had so many people ask about it. And in fact, Ray is my brother-in-law's name, Ray got several orders from it. And one woman liked it so much, she bought her one, she bought her mother one, and I don't know how many she bought. But then she asked if there was any way that we could, that Ray could do a double-decker. And so he put a pencil to it, came up with the design, and here's his beautiful design. And he sent this to me so I could make another video. Again, it's made out of 100% wood. There's no nails. It's all put together with pegs. And so there it is. We've got the plastic wrap on the bottom, and all you have to do, of course, is pull out the plastic wrap as much as you want and put the little lid down and run the slider across your paper, and there's your cut. So easy. And then if you wanted to do the aluminum foil, same thing. Just bring it down to where you need it. Shut the lid. And the little slider cuts both ways. So there we go on the aluminum foil. He did a really good job. Ray, we thank you. And we hope that this is going to be just what some of you need. I do have Ray's Conejo Creations is what he calls his little workshop. And I will be putting his email address in my description, my more description. So if anybody needs a pretty little box, get a hold of Ray and tell him that you saw it on Granny B. And we thank you so much. Until next time, we love you all. Bye-bye.